What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing AVL Dave from Despicable Me 4. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. We have a fun lesson lined up. We're going to be drawing AVL Dave from Despicable Me 4. So we want to start in the center of the page with the arm that goes in between the glasses. To start on the left side, we're going to go up in the middle and then bend that back down. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw that same curve across the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the top edge of the glasses. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this up, come all the way down on the left, go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now on the ends, draw a short line coming down and then back in. Let's draw the bottom of the glasses. We're going to connect this point to the inside with a curve, almost like a half circle. Coming down, around, and then back up. Do the same thing on the right, coming down toward the same height, and then bend that up. Now I want to add a glare going across the glasses. Let's start on the top left. We're just going to angle this down and out with a straight line. Step in, draw that again. Now I want to do the same thing across the right lens. Now let's layer the eyes in behind the glasses. We're going to start in the middle. It's going to go up toward the left, come around, and then bend that down. Go back to the center and do the same thing over on the right, going around and then down. Let's go back to the center, step down, add a point. Now I want to draw the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to come down and just tuck that up underneath the glasses on both sides. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right. We're going to start in the middle, go across and up, and then add a bracket on the right side. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the glasses going around that highlight. Now with the eyes and glasses in place, let's draw the top of the head. On top of the glass arms, we're going to curve this up in the middle, round up the head, go across, and then back down on the right. Let's come down towards the bottom, draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom edge of the neck. Now along the top and the center, we're going to add in the hair. Let's start in the middle, start with the left side, bend this across, and then down. Back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's add another hair across the top, going up and then out. Now let's go back down to the bottom, draw the edge of the collar. Then it's down in towards the center, then it's out and back up. Now from the side, we'll draw another curve coming down across the edge of the jacket. And bend that up. Now in the center, let's add the edge of the shirt collar. Bend this out and then down. And then we'll layer the tie in the center, starting from the side, angle this down and in, across the side of the knot, flatten off the bottom, and then from the two bottom corners, angle the tie coming down and out. Now I'm just going to line up the edge of the head, step down, draw the edge of the body. Come straight down towards the hip. Let's go to the center of the jacket, draw a straight line coming down the middle. Let's connect the bottom of the side of the body, curving this down and in towards the center. Now on the right side of that center line, add one circle for the button. And then we want to add the jacket collar. Let's start halfway down the side, and it's down and out. And we're going to bend this down and in toward that center line. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line going out, bend this out and then up. Now we're going to add that badge over on the right side. Start with a straight line going across, and we'll add that rectangle. Now to keep this simple, we're going to draw the letters AVL inside. So let's start with the A going up and then down. Add the V and then the L. Now going back to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across the top of the legs. And then in the center, draw a straight line coming down to create a T. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start with the left side, go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. Now when you go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. I'm going to curve this up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then I'm just going to curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. And I'll do the exact same thing over on the right. From the hips, we're going to step in, draw the outside of the leg. Bring this down and then in on top of the feet. Now along the bottom, we're going to add a thick sole. So we're going to take the same curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now let's go back up to the side of the neck and draw the outside of the arm. Let's start with the left side. I'm going to bend this out, come down along the side of the body. I'm just going to round out the cuff, coming down and then in. Let's add a trim, just on that same curve. And then we're going to tuck the hands in underneath the cuff. Let's start on the left side. We're going to start with the palm, going out and then in. Let's add 2 fingers along the bottom, starting from the side of the palm, curl this around, and just pull that up. And I'll draw the second finger, pulling this up underneath the hip. And you want to do the same thing on the right, starting from the palm. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw AVL Dave from Despicable Me 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.